A tent is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of canvas required for making the tent. Also find the cost of canvas at the rate of rupees 500 per square meter. तो इस प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं हम देखते हैं. एक सर्कुलर टेंट है. देयर इज अ सर्कुलर टेंट. द हाइट ऑफ द सर्कुलर टेंट इज 2.1 मीटर, diameter is 4 meter, and the slant height given to you is 2.8 meter. Now with this information you have to calculate the cost of canvas and also the amount of canvas required to make the tent. Now simple hai children, if you want to find out the surface area of the canvas, then what you need to do is you need to find out the curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone. This is very much required for you. So what I write here is the total surface area of canvas required, total surface area of canvas required, or surface area, better I will write it as surface area of canvas required, surface area of canvas required is equal to curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of cylindrical part or cylinder plus curved surface area of cone, cylinder plus curved surface area of required is equal to curved surface area of cylindrical part plus curved surface area of cone. Now curved surface area of cylindrical part is 2 pi r h plus curved surface area of cone is pi r l. How much it is? Pi r l. Now whatever common factor is there, let us take it here. Pi r is common here, so what remains in the bracket is 2h plus l. What remains in the bracket is 2h plus l. Now let us simplify it here. 22 by 7, pi value is 22 by 7. The radius given to us, see diameter is given to us as 4. If diameter is given to us as 4 meters, then let us make the radius as d by 2, and then 4 by 2, that's equal to 2 meters. That's equal to 2 meters. So in place of radius I will write here 2 multiplied by 2 into height. What is the height given to you? 2.1. So the height given to you is 2.1 plus the slant height given to you is 2.8. So this is 2.8. Now this if you simplify children, 22 by 7 multiplied by, this is 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by, just here 2 multiplied by 2.1 is 4.2, 2 multiplied by 2.1 is 2.1 is 4.2 plus 2.8, तो उसको आप प्लस करोगे तो कितना होगा थोड़ा देखिए आप. जस्ट यू कैन सी इट हियर 22 by 7 multiplied by 2, 4.2 plus 2.8 will be equal to 7.0 or 7. This 7 cancels with 7, so what we are going to get here is 44 square meters. What does it mean? It means to make this tent 44 square meters of canvas is required. इस तरह का अगर सर्कस का टेंट मुझे बनाना है तो 44 स्क्वायर मीटर्स ऑफ मुझे कैनवस चाहिए. तो मुझे अभी क्या चाहिए? टोटल रेट कितना होगा. तो टोटल कॉस्ट अगर मुझे चाहिए बच्चों तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? टोटल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया मल्टीप्लाइड बाय रेट. तो टोटल कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया मल्टीप्लाइड बाय रेट, तो ये है 44 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 500. तो व्हाट यू विल गेट हियर इज 2 zeros आर देयर, 5 4s are 20, carry 2, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is 22. So how much you get here is rupees 22,000 rupees you have to spend to make this conical tent. So what I did here is curved surface area of the cylindrical part plus curved surface area of the conical part will be equal to the total curved surface area, and that multiplied by 500 will be equal to what? The total cost. So that amounts to 22,000. So this is how we have to calculate.